Hey dreamers, welcome to today's STEAMwork. We'll be doing a design and build challenge. My name is Anna from the National Children's Museum and I will be taking you through the challenge today. I thought a fun activity would be making your own boats and racing them with your friends. So you can just use recyclable materials around your house to make your own boats. You can just get a bucket and collect some rainwater and test how well your boat can float. Another way to think of how a boat can float is a buoyancy. So I want to teach that word to everyone today. Buoyancy is the ability or tendency to float in water or air or anything fluid, but in this case it would be in water. So you can test your buoyancy as you watch it go down the curbside, or you can test your buoyancy when you put it in a bucket to see if it can float. So I'll get started in showing you the materials that I use to make my boat, but you can really use anything you find around the house. So first off, I used some regular old notebook paper. I have some Q-tips. I have tape. I have an old tissue box. And then I have some crayons to design my boat. So first you will need to make a base of your boat. The base can be from the paper. That's usually what I do. So one way I've done that is just taking the paper, folding it in half, and taping the sides. I'll show you right here. So this can be your boat as it floats through the water. Another one I do is I like to make a little box, and then I will put tape on the bottom so that it can float along the water better. I usually use packing tape because that's a really good kind of tape to help just glide through the water as it's really smooth. And then I like to personalize my boat. So in this one I used a Q-tip to use like as a stand for the flag, and then I cut out from that tissue box a little flag, and then I taped it on there. As you can see, I love flowers, so I used a flower design, and that will help my boat be carried through the wind better. And then I also colored my boat purple because I like the color purple. Just make the boat your own and really have fun with this activity. We want to see the magic you created as well, so you can tag us in a post for a chance to be featured on our socials or in our newsletter. And we really just hope you keep enjoying these videos, and you can join us tomorrow. We'll be doing a nature spotlight STEAMwork. So thanks so much, and we hope to see your wonderful boat designs. Bye!